Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Volkswagen Passat key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple task can be done quickly at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. Begin by finding the small release button, usually on the side or back. Press this button firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob should separate with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. Take care not to force it. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors. You should find it working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.